Okay, welcome everybody. My name is Litzea, and this is my pet dog, and his name is Tingles. He's a toy poodle, and he's still a little boy, so he's my pet. And I'm going to be an artist today, so I'm just gonna draw something and paint. So I have a paint brush right here, and I'm just gonna draw first, or the paintbrush to paint first. So if you want, I'm gonna paint black first. So to draw a one house, so they'll be much funner. Good to make it even more. So my pet dog is gonna live it. So I'm just gonna make a door first, the window, and another window, and now another black. So it's actually for the sun, and don't forget the smiley face. So my pet dog is going away. Now I just need to put blue for the sky, blue for the sky, and now color it. Except I'm a girl, so let's just paint it blue, so it will look like a cloud. No, cloud is blue, so I just need to add some more blue and more white. Done. Now I just need to color it. Okay, I'm almost finished with the blue one. I don't think the sun have to be colored. I think I'm just gonna color it so pinky and beautiful. The house. So, ooh, it's purple. And it's so cute color. I love it anyway. It's so beautiful with the pink like this. Now this. Ooh, and this one too. It's a beautiful color. And my pet dog is going away. So I'm just gonna add more blue and white to make it even more good. So I'm done with the house. Now another black. I need to draw the what do you think? What should I draw? That's right. I need to draw a rainbow. But first I need to draw camp. I am actually drawing a camp. Now the camp has to be dry first. So I just need to add the green one. Wait, a green one for the grass. Okay, the green one is actually so dark. Now, okay, I'm almost finished. So it's gonna be the sky. It's gonna be yellow or something. Alright, how about we just make a striped yellow. And another striped yellow right here. It's gonna be the wind or something. Okay, now I need this blue. Again. Okay. Now it just has to be like this first. Pink. Now blue. And another yellow. Okay, it's mixing color. It's okay. I'm just like this color with this blue. Ooh, it's mixing color so good. It's actually making green. Oops, I just mixed up with the black. It's okay. It's just a little bit. It's great. Just a little bit more. A little bit more. Another one. Okay, it's just one. So somebody had to know what am I drawing anyway. Now I just need 2 more to draw first. I still got 2 more papers or something. I don't know. Let's just add blue. Blue, blue, and blue. Okay. Oh yeah, don't forget, I need a water right here too. So it's beautiful. Blue one right here. Oh, that yellow one is still wet. Another white one that is so cute. Now I just need wet pink one. So I just did so beautiful color. So I just need to color it so carefully. So there we go. It's done. Now, of course, I need a human right here. That is flying as a fairy. Yeah, I'm not good at drawing fairy right with a paint. Okay, I'm done with the fairy. Now another one with the orange. The orange is actually for this color. Yeah, actually, I'm the only one who likes drawing. Okay, what do you think? Yeah, let me just... Oh, it's mixing color. It's into red. Oh yeah, it's still red. Oh, it's brown. It's brown, not red. Now I need brown. Brown is for orange color to help each other. And my puppy is actually I'm taking a rest on my paper. So I need purple for the dots. Now yellow for another dot. Now I need 2 more colors. I need blue, and now the one, it's the pink one. Done. Now I just need to mix color with them. Getting so good. Okay, so another good color. Green, my favorite color. Turquoise too. I don't think it's greeny. Okay, I like it. Now I'm almost done. I'm almost done now. Now if I'm done, I'm gonna go to the next level 2. So I'm done now with level 1. Okay, I actually got levels, but wait a minute, I'm actually finished now. I'm almost finished. Okay, now I'm done. Now I just need to have another one. So just let it dry. Now I'm just gonna put it where? Oh yeah, just have to put it right here. Now I need another paper. Okay, I still got a lot of paper. Now I'm done with it. Now I just need to draw without colors. So, okay. Now it's a beautiful one, coral. It's coral. Now another coral. Wait. Oh yeah, it is like coral. Okay, just never mind. Alright, another one. Now a fish. Now another fish. It's the big one, and my puppy is doing this. Stop. No, don't do that. Okay, and make sure to subscribe this channel. So I'm making my best to have much likes. So I'll make sure to subscribe the like button down below. So thank you for watching. So see you next time. So tomorrow I will continue drawing. But okay. Goodbye.